Hello mga kapitbahay, have you been experiencing burnout lately? Burnout sa work because, ayun, napapagod ka lang. It seems like alam mo yun, parang nahihirapan ka na mag-level up. Or there's no sense of satisfaction or contentment with your job right now. Alam mo, hindi ka nag-iisa. There are people too na ganyan din yung nararamdaman when it comes to working. But there's also a point na if you stop, parang mas lalo kang magiging sad about it. For other people, yes, it feels like freedom when they finally get out of something na, alam mo yun, matagal na nilang gustong alisan. But, at the end of the day, you really have to face your problems, face adversities, and you'll see how stronger and better you get after having surpassed all those trials. And also, sometimes, kailangan mo lang talaga ng support group where you can share your thoughts, you can share your problems, and alam mo yun, gagaan din yung feeling right after. Yung feeling mo na akala mo hirap ka na to this point in life. Tapos, meron pa pala sa'yo na mas nakakaramdam ng mas mabibigat na bagay. And we are so focused sa problema lang natin. Which is, I think, is ganun talaga. You have to focus on your problems. But, let God carry the weight for you. Iakyat mo lang to sa Kanya and He'll carry the burden. And also, He uses friends as, as instruments. Hindi naman yung ibig sabihin na siya mismo yung gagawa, but He uses other people to be of, help to you. Kaya, huwag susuko in life and always stay strong. Yun lang.